In this video, we will discuss the layers of the Earth. So the Earth is divided into four major layers and each with distinct properties. So we have the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. The crust and the uppermost layer of the mantle comprise the lithosphere. And here we can find tectonic plates or the major and minor blocks of rocks. Lithosphere is a rigid layer that can break under stress. Below lithosphere is the asthenosphere, which is about 180 kilometers thick and contains magma. The asthenosphere can be formed and reshaped under the heat from the magma. Heat energy circulates as convection currents, traveling upward from the hot inner mantle to the cooler outer mantle. This heat transfer mechanism helps drive the movement of tectonic plates, which is manifested as earthquakes. These movements can help form mountains, volcanoes, islands, trenches, and mid-ocean ridges. The outermost layer of the Earth is the crust, and here we can find life. The crust that makes up the continents, we call it as the continental crust, and it is about 40 to 70 kilometers thick. The continental crust is made up of less dense granitic rocks. The crust that underlies the ocean floor is called the oceanic crust, which is about 5 kilometers in thickness, and it is made up of denser basaltic rocks. The crust is largely composed of alumina and silica. The alumina content of continental crust is 15.2% and about 16.5% on the oceanic crust. The silica content of continental crust is 60.2% and the oceanic crust is 48.6%. Below the crust is a semi-solid, rocky, and very hot layer called the mantle. It is about 2,900 kilometers thick. It makes up 80% of the Earth and carries most of its mass. The mantle is composed of ferro-magnesium silicate rocks. Its top layer has a temperature of about 900 degrees Celsius. As one goes deeper into the mantle, the temperature increases from 1,000 degrees Celsius to 3,700 degrees Celsius. The core is divided into two layers. We have the outer core, which is located below the mantle, and the inner core, which is the solid center of the planet. The outer core is the only layer of the Earth that is liquid and made up of molten nickel and iron. It is about 2,270 kilometers thick and has a temperature that ranges from 3,700 degrees Celsius to 4,000 degrees Celsius. The inner core has a diameter of about 1,220 kilometers and is composed mostly of solid iron, which gives the planet its magnetic characteristics. The inner core is extremely hot. Its temperature has been recently found to be about 6,000 degrees Celsius. Now, interfaces mark the boundaries between layers of the Earth. So as you can see, this continuity is the interface between the upper and lower crust. The Mohorovičić discontinuity is the interface between lower crust and upper mantle. The Rapiti discontinuity is the interface between upper and lower mantle. Gutenberg discontinuity is the interface between outer and inner core. And the lemma discontinuity is the interface between the outer and inner core. That's all for today. See you when I see you.